Hi, I'm Kelley Knickerbocker. Welcome to Mosaic Arts Online. What we're going to do in this video is go through start to finish my process of stacking glass, radical dimensions in glass mosaic. So we're going to start with examining mirror as a substrate and what advantages there are to that for working with glass. Light coming in through the glass, bouncing off the mirror, and giving light to your mosaic. Then we're going to talk about what glue is best for working on mirror. We use Lexel, and so we're going to go through how to use that. And choosing your glass for this technique, because you really have to think about opacity, transparency, translucency, and opacity. How light passes through all those glasses. Developing a coordinated palette of glass for this, and also choosing a material that's not glass for contrast. In this case, we're going to use white unglazed porcelain. And that contrast makes the glass look more luminous and shiny, and it makes the non-glass material more velvety and opaque and stone-like. So we're going to explore that contrast as well. We're going to stack glass on its flat side as well as up on its edge, and we're going to talk about designing for that. So you're going to need a Sharpie and a straight edge, and we're going to do a little bit of designing on paper before you design on your substrate so that you get down how to stack which glass comes first, which comes second, which comes third, and why. So we're going to go through all of that, and then so we're going to put the mosaic together, and then we're going to figure out how to clean the excess glue, how to mount your piece on another board so that it's hangable, and then you have a finished product. So we're going to go start to finish, and just so you know, all of these materials and tools that we're going to use here will be listed out in a printable PDF so that you can have those with you when you're thinking about what do I need for this and how do I get all my stuff together. We'll give you a list. And how do I purchase for this? We'll give you a printable list. So you'll have everything you need, and then we'll walk through the technique start to finish. So thank you. Thank you for watching this video and for being interested in this technique, and I hope you love it and wrap it into your style and make it amazing.